welcome back. I'm Allison. This is Wonder Crochet. This week we got 15 inches of snow, which was wild. I know a ton of people in the US got hit with this snowstorm, and we were very fortunate to not lose power or anything like that. We do have some flooding in our basement, but that's a whole other story. But this weather has really kept me cooped up inside. We couldn't leave the house for several days because the roads were pretty bad, and now the temperatures are in the single digits for quite a while. So I have really been trying to make the most of my time inside and my time crafting, because winter is hard sometimes. You know, I really thrive in spring and summertime. I love being outside. I love going for walks in the woods, but we are not able to do that at this moment. It's so cold, it just hurts your face if you're outside for longer than a few minutes. So some things that I've been doing to just kind of enjoy winter a little bit more is obviously working on some new crochet projects. So I want to show you what I've been working on. So you can tell that I've really been looking forward to summertime because I made a sea mammal pattern bundle. So I have this little seal and I made it white to look like a little harp seal. I did a sea lion. Their tails are just my favorite part. And then of course I had to do a walrus. I think the walrus might be my favorite. I really like it. And this one was fun to design because I wanted to make something different than a lot of the like seal, sea lion, walrus patterns that I have seen. And I wanted it to be kind of laying down but like upright. And I was really excited because I was able to do the head, body, and tail all in one piece. I'm always really excited when I can figure out how to make things have less sewing, and I know that a lot of you really enjoy that as well. So this one was really fun, and again, I'm really craving summertime, so I made some fun accessories for them. I made a little bucket hat and I really like the hat the best on the walrus. I don't know why, but it does look cute on the others as well. Not as much on the sea lion because the sea lion has the little ears. So I did the bucket hat for the walrus, and then I did a little ball for the seal. I know that the seals balance the balls on their nose, but it would block his cute face, so I put it on top of the head. And this was fun to make, this little ball. I know it's a pretty simple thing, but with the color changes, I don't know, it was fun to make. I had never made anything in that design before. And then we'll give our sea lion our last little accessory here. I did a little inner tube, and they can all actually sit really well on the inner tube, so it's nice if you want to have that sit on your desk or a shelf or anything like that. I've been having a lot of fun making these, and of course I want to crochet something together today. So I'm thinking that I would like to do a seal, but I want to do like a fuzzy seal in maybe Feels Like Bliss yarn. So we'll do that together later because I think that'll look just so cute. Another thing that I've been doing to entertain myself, especially during the snowstorm, but just to stay warm and cozy and inside during the winter, is honestly something that I've always wanted to do, and that's learning other fiber arts. And Skillshare has just been great for that. If you're not familiar with Skillshare, it's a platform with all types of classes, especially creative classes taught by real artists and makers. It's such a nice way to learn something new and actually be able to make something as you go instead of just watching as you learn. Right now I'm taking a class called Painting with Thread, Modern Embroidery for Beginners. And even as someone who crochets all the time, it's been really fun to try something different that still feels familiar. This class is beginner friendly, project based, and you're just creating along as you learn, which I absolutely love. It's been such a cozy creative break, and honestly it's given me even more new ideas for details that I can bring back into my crochet projects. Skillshare has tons of classes taught by world-class creatives like professional illustrators, designers, and entrepreneurs, and it's the best place to learn a creative skill or pick up a new hobby. So if you're staying inside this winter and you're trying to avoid some things like doom scrolling, Skillshare is the perfect place for you to go. It's where humans come to learn from other humans. And right now, the first 500 people to click the link below or scan the QR code will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. I like to give myself little things to look forward to in the winter time, and I feel like that makes being stuck inside just a little bit easier. And one of the things that I decided to do this year was get a tea advent calendar. I've mentioned before that my birthday is in February, so I thought that it would be fun to get an advent calendar to kind of count down my birthday, just as something fun to look forward to. And I had to do it with one of my favorite things, which is teas. I thought that I would open 2 a day just as a fun little treat. So let's open up the first 2 together and brew some tea to sip on while we crochet today. Last year, Mr. Wonder Crochet got me the Studio Ghibli advent calendar, and that was such a wonderful surprise and such a nice treat. It had really, really nice things in it. I'm a sucker for any type of mystery toy or anything like an advent calendar. This one feels very nice. I'm gonna be honest, I got this for half price because I think it was right before Christmas time when I got this, but oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's huge. And it has all 24 teas in here. Again, I think we'll just open up 2 today, and then let me know if you want me to post on my stories opening some of the other ones. Okay, let's start all the way down here at the bottom for tea number 1. And these are all loose leaf teas. I prefer loose leaf teas. I just feel like they have a fuller flavor. And I want to avoid as many plastics as I can because, you know, crocheting with polyester yarns and with plastic fiber fill, I'm really getting a lot of that. So I try to cut down on some of that in my day-to-day. Ooh, okay. This one is an herbal tea. It's a turmeric moringa. And look at that. I'm a real big fan of turmeric because it's anti-inflammatory. See, we're going into some of my other interests. I love teas. I love learning about what different herbs can do for your body. It's hard to, I know it's closed, but this is so fragrant as it's opened up like this. I'm excited for this one. Okay, turmeric moringa. That just sounds lovely and very healing. Okay, let's open up our second one. It's very fragrant. It smells lovely, but it's like all of them mixed together, so it's strong. Okay, number 2. This looks like a black tea, is it? Oh, it is. Ginger chai. I need to actually open them up and smell them, but ginger chai. Oh, I'm very excited about that. That's perfect for winter time. And there is a good amount. Like, I can get more than 1 cup of tea out of this. Exciting. I think that I will brew the turmeric moringa since it is a little bit later in the day. We'll go with an herbal, and then we'll start working on our crochet project. This is fun. I'm excited about this. If you're a fellow tea lover, please let me know, and let me know what your favorite type of tea is. Made to keep us nice and warm. It's really full. I'm trying not to spill it. It's good. It's just a light herbal tea. There's a hint of ginger, which I really like. You know, it has that classic turmeric taste, and it has a little bit of black pepper in it too. Black pepper is great for turmeric absorption, so that's why they put it in the teas with turmeric. Okay, let's get our yarn and crochet a fuzzy seal. So I'm going to be using Feels Like Bliss yarn. If you haven't used it before, it's just this really nice fuzzy yarn. Let me see if I can find something that I've made with it before. Oh yeah, I made my little Connie the cow pattern in Feels Like Bliss, and it just gives it the softest, fuzziest look. And I thought that would be perfect for our harp seal because if you've seen them before, they're just really cute and fuzzy, and I think it'll be perfect in the Feels Like Bliss yarn. I can't remember honestly what size hook I use with this. I think I'm going to use a 4.5. Yeah, I think I'll use a 4.5 with this. So let's put on like a relaxing movie, and I'll get my setup ready so we can drink our tea, watch our movie, and crochet a fuzzy seal. is as far as I've gotten. Ignore my messy desk. Here is the tail. And you know, this yarn honestly is a bit of a pain to work with because it's so spongy. Like, it stretches so much while you're working with it. I feel like it warps the project a bit, but the end result is so cute that, you know, you just have to fight with it a little bit. And then I have our cute little flippers here. And then I started on the head. And as you can see, it is just a little bit, I don't know, a little bit warped, and it keeps the shape a lot. It's such an odd yarn, but again, the end product is so worth it. So I'm going to keep working on this, but first, I just love searching for new patterns to try, especially when I can find new designers that I haven't tried their patterns yet. And I wanted to share some winter patterns that I found that are just really cute. Especially this first one, this 2-in-1 bear bundle. This is a little bit more Christmassy than wintry, but not necessarily. I mean, it's a reindeer and a snowman, so it's not necessarily Christmassy. This is by Dee Crochet, and it really looks adorable. Like, I love when little animals are wearing costumes, and this one is just really, really cute. So I wanted to share this one with you first. And then another one I found, and I actually saw this one on Instagram and I wanted to pull it up on Etsy. It's by Therapy on My Hook, and she makes a lot of really cute, like, nature inspired stuff. So the kind of stuff that I absolutely love to make. And this snowflake is so adorable. Look at that. Oh, and this one's fuzzy. Honestly, if I made that and this feels like bliss yarn, that would be perfect. It's something fun and a little bit different to make for winter time, especially if you're doing a winter market. And then I had to include my penguin pattern in here because a lot of you have been getting this one recently, and I really appreciate that. I need to make more of this one. I want to make a fuzzy penguin, but I don't think that I can handle doing 2 fuzzy projects in one day. But I did this little penguin, and he comes with a bunch of different accessories too. So I did like a fish hat and fish purse, and then this trapper hat and scarf, and then I did a little bear hat if you want to make a cute little penguin. Oh, and I'll link all of these patterns in the video, so they'll be very easy to find. This next one was just adorable. I've seen tons of these baby bunnies in clothing type of things. I don't know who was kind of the first to do this concept, but let me know in the comments if you know. This is by Wendy Crochets Co. And it's just really, really cute bunnies. And I wonder what yarn they used because it looks extra fluffy and adorable. But it's all these different bunnies and all these different winter clothing options. And I think that's adorable. I really want to make a lot of these, especially this one. A bunny in a bear costume is just too cute. And then another pattern which I've been dying to make is by Curious Papaya. It is this snowy owl. He looks like Hedwig, and it's really, really cute. I mean, just look at that. And I love the details on the wing too. Amy's patterns are always so well written. Again, this is another one that would look really great in fuzzy yarn, but again, I don't think I have the patience today. And this one I thought was so fun. Lumi the Winter Guardian. This is by Crochet with Kelsey. And you know I love anything unique, fantasy-like, anything that didn't exist before. And this is a really fun one. Oh, the testers did them in so many different colors and designs. Oh, I love that. Yeah, this is a fun one that I definitely want to add to my list. And then the last one I found are these winter birds. I guess we're on a bird theme today. This is by Sweet Lilliput, and it is these 4 different winter birds. And I just think that's so fun. I really think that this one would do well selling at a winter market. These look like they're smaller, so they might work up quickly. But just really cute. Yeah, I love finding all of these new patterns, so I wanted to share them with you. Now let's get back to crocheting our fuzzy seal, another wintry pattern. Here's our little fuzzy seal. So before we finish, I saw somewhere, who was it? I think it was Jade, all from Jade. I think that she posted something about brushing out the Feels Like Bliss yarn, because as you can see, you can really see like the lines and the stitches. And if you use like a cat fur brush and brush it out, then apparently it makes it look fuzzier and nicer. So let's do that before we finish our little seal. I love it. It made him even fuzzier. Let me know if you think I should add whiskers on it. I'm not sure. I can't decide, but it's just so fuzzy and cute, and it looks like a little harp seal pup. I love it. It really is a pain to work with this yarn, I'm not gonna lie, but every time I do it I remember why it's worth it, because the end result is just so cute. Hope you enjoyed our little winter hangout today, and of course let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and if you would like to see a video of me making as many penguins as I can this winter, let me know. So if you don't already, give me a follow over on Instagram. I post all my new projects and fun over there, and as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again real soon.